Just let her put.
Get you down.
Yeah,
Have you guys ever failed a test in college? If so, that way to fix that problem. My first year in college, I failed my first test. I was pretty devastated and disappointed because I never been a student who failed a test ever. But somehow I failed this one. In my mind, I was telling myself, maybe I should change my study habits or study beforehand. The purpose of this speech is to inform my audience on effective ways to study for a test. Personally, I'm not a master at studying, but I think that I'm getting better at it. I see most of you have. This is why I say study for a test is very important. Today I will give you what is studying, ways to remember answers, get help from a professor, and how to pass a class. On the next 3 minutes, I will tell you the definition of studying. How can you define studying? Learn small parts of information at a time. According to theclassroom.com, the most frustrating thing about examining for an exam is overlooking significant information. Before the test, my professor told us to highlight or underline information that would possibly be on the test, and not the rest. So after seeing my results on my first test, maybe I could have made a higher score. The free dictionary defines studying as the effort to acquire knowledge by reading, observe, or research, or a little word treating a particular subject or character. Moving on from the definition of studying to ways to remember answers. Andrea Lee states the best study hacks to help your brain to remember information. She also established study hacks to help you to remember information quickly and easier. For every exam, like speaking out loud, study in groups, or take regular study breaks. There are 2 ways for me to help me to remember answers: highlighting and Quizlet. When I highlight my notes, I highlight the word definition and the keywords, and I use a different highlighter. So I go on the test, I can picture the highlighter, the word definition, and the keywords. Quizlet is a convenient website for every college student. You can click on a word and definition, like you're taking a test. So when you go on the test, you can actually remember your answers. Now you know about ways to remember answers, you should know how to get help from your professor. According to thoughtcompany.com, at some point in college, you would need one-on-one assistance with your professor about their class or exam. Many students are intimidated about speaking to their professor about seeking extra help in their class. For example, in my school, my professors recommend SI sessions where you engage with other students and your TA. The TA provides practice tests, homework, and quizzes up to test day. On the other hand, approaching your professor can be a life-changing opportunity. Before the meeting, preparation is a major key. Meeting with the professor. During the meeting, you should bring your materials, tell them what areas you need help in, and ask questions. Now you know why it's important to get help from a professor. You should know how to pass a class. According to ViaPrep.com, as a student, to pass a class is the most important thing in college, but also stress relief. There are 2 things you should know about how to pass a class. Study your class wisely and just to the classroom. As a freshman in college, you should take only 12 or 15 hours, so you had a pretty good gap between all your classes, so you can study for the next class. And adjust to the classroom. High school transition to college is very hard for me. So the first 2 weeks in college, I learned how to adjust into the classroom and college teaching. In conclusion, it is clear that studying for a test is very important. Now you understand, examining for a test, you can actually comprehend what it's studying, recognize answers, help with professors, and how to pass a class. There's one thing you should remember. Study is the best way you can, not for anyone else. That's it.
Good, yeah. All right, yeah.